I'm literally going to use the very rest of this right now. Oh my god. Come on, please. Easier. I took the top off. The very rest of it. This stuff is like liquid gold. I'm trying to film this thumbnail. And this is so hard to hold. But okay, so today I'm filming a video on Empties and whether or not I would repurchase them and what I thought about them. And I've been hoarding all of this trash, all of these empty containers for a few months now so that I can film this video for you guys, and so I had enough products to talk about. So if you're interested in hearing about all these Empties and what I thought about them and whether or not I would repurchase them, then keep watching. I've never done a video like this before, so I'm kind of excited and a little nervous. Hopefully I do it right. I don't really think there's a right or wrong way, but let's start with this one because I literally just finished this one. This one is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Penetrating Oil Dry and Coarse Hair, and this one is from OGX. I love this stuff. This is a great hair oil. You can get this at the drugstore. I got this at Target. I'm not sure off the top of my head how much this one costs. I'll put it somewhere on the screen, and all these products will be listed in the description box down below. But I did get this one at Target. This is actually my second bottle ever. I like this a lot and I would absolutely repurchase this. This is so good. I feel like it moisturizes my hair and it doesn't weigh it down, because some oils I just can't use in my hair because it makes my hair too oily. I can use a lot of this and it doesn't make my hair oily. It just makes it like moisturized and hydrated. So I highly recommend this. It also smells amazing and this is one of my favorite hair oils for sure. Okay, this is another hair product. It's very well loved. This one is from IGK. I can't really read it anymore because the sparkly stuff chipped off. The writing chipped off. I don't know. I think this is called Offline. This is a 3-minute hydration hair mask and this is amazing. This is vegan, cruelty, and gluten-free. It's petroleum and mineral oil free. It's paraben and sulfate free. This is so good. This is a hair mask. It smells amazing. It smells so freaking good. I wish you could smell this. It is so good. I use this in the shower in replace of my conditioner sometimes. I wouldn't do this in every shower, but I did this like twice a week and it leaves my hair feeling so good. So soft, so hydrated. I have dry hair because I bleach it and I style it a lot, but this is so amazing. It was a great hair mask. I don't usually like hair masks. I don't usually use hair masks, but this one is amazing. IGK did send this to me in a PR package, so I didn't purchase this for myself, but I would absolutely purchase this again because, or I would purchase it. I would purchase another one because it was just so good and it smells amazing and it just made my hair feel so good. Like, I'm really sad that I ran out of this and I, as you can see, squeezed the shit out of this to get every last drop. It's so good. 10 out of 10 recommend this one. Absolutely would buy it again. Okay, we're gonna move on to skincare products. So this is the pre-cleanse from Dermalogica. This is like an oil cleanser. Basically, you would use this to like remove your makeup or in like a double cleanse step. So I use this as my first step in my skincare routine. I would just pump a little bit of this out, rub it all over my face to remove my makeup, and then I would rinse that off and go in with cleanser. This was amazing. This is so good. I don't really like makeup wipes anymore. I love like cleansing balms. This is similar except for this is an oil. This one was really good. I would definitely purchase this again. I know Dermalogica can be a little pricey, but I truly believe that it's worth it. I think Dermalogica has great skincare products and this was great if you're into like a double cleanse skincare routine. I highly recommend this as a makeup remover or like your pre-cleanse step, and this is called pre-cleanse. So good. Definitely would buy this again. Another Dermalogica product. I have 2 Empties. I go through this stuff so quick. This is amazing. If you're into super thick moisturizers that are extremely moisturizing and leave your skin feeling kind of not greasy, not oily, but definitely moisturized, then this is for you. I'm not too sure off the top of my head how much this costs, but I think it's around $80, which is definitely expensive, but it's so good if you are really into like super hydrating, moisturizing, thick moisturizers. I know that's not for everyone. I know some people prefer like really thin moisturizers that kind of dry and don't leave your skin feeling like greasy or oily. But if you like very thick moisturizers, then this is for you. This is so amazing. Obviously, I've already gone through 2 of them. I would absolutely repurchase this. This is so good. Okay, another Dermalogica product. This is another moisturizer. This one is thinner. It's still extremely moisturizing. It's just not as thick as the one I just showed you. This one is called the Intensive Moisture Balance. I liked this one, okay? I liked it a lot. I don't know if I would rebuy this one, not because it wasn't good or anything, but I just feel like because this one was so expensive and I don't love it like I love the other one, I don't think I would repurchase this one because I feel like I can find a similar one less expensive. So that's why I don't think I would personally repurchase this one. Also, I wasn't crazy about the way it smelled. I don't know. It almost smelled like kind of chemically, but I did like it. I did like it, and I obviously used all of it. I just don't know if I would buy this one again. Another skincare product. This is a makeup remover. This is an eye makeup remover. This is called Bi-Facil, a double action eye makeup remover from Lancôme. They sent this to me a while ago. I used all of it because it is good, but I don't really like eye makeup removers. I don't know. I just don't really like it. I prefer an oil cleanser or a cleansing balm to remove my makeup. This is one of those like really thin, I have one that's similar to it. It's one of these where it's like oil and whatever, and you like shake it up and then you put it on a cotton pad and remove your eye makeup. I don't know, I just don't really like those that much. It was good and it did what it was supposed to do, but because I'm just not that into that kind of makeup remover, I personally wouldn't buy this again. But if you're into this type of eye makeup remover and you know what I'm talking about, then you might like this. I don't know, I feel like this is a little pricey and you can get a cheaper one that does the exact same thing. I don't know, I'm just not crazy about this type of makeup remover, so I personally wouldn't purchase this again, but it was good. It wasn't bad and it did what it was supposed to do. But for me, you know, I used it and I'm gonna move on to products that I really like. More skincare. This is from Glam Glow. This is the MOISTURETRIP Omega Rich Moisturizer. I thought this was amazing. This is so good. I used all of it, all gone. It didn't smell too great, but I did like it and it moisturized my skin so well. I would absolutely repurchase this. I thought this was a really good facial moisturizer. I love to use this before I apply my makeup, and I feel like it helped my makeup just look so smooth and amazing. So I would absolutely buy this again. I thought this was great moisturizer. This was amazing. This was sent to me. I'm pretty sure Rodan & Fields is like an MLM company, which I have mixed feelings about MLM. I'm not like a big fan of MLM, but this was amazing. This is like a body moisturizer. I put this on after the shower every single time. It's all gone now, but this was amazing. I'm super picky about my body lotion. It has to be hydrating. I prefer ones that leave my skin kind of greasy feeling. I don't want to say greasy because there's a difference. It just left my skin feeling hydrated and soft. It didn't like absorb into my skin and dry. Like my skin felt smooth and lotiony all day. This one was so good. They, like I said, they sent this to me. I don't know how much this is, and I'm not crazy about MLM companies, but this is the Active Hydration Body Replenish from Rodan & Fields, and this was so good. This was like magic. It was seriously the best, hands down the best body moisturizer that I've ever used in my whole life. It was so good, and I would absolutely buy this again. So I really like this, even though I'm not crazy about MLM. No offense if you sell MLM products, but I'm not that crazy about it, but I do like that moisturizer. Okay, more skincare. Obviously, I use a lot of skincare. That's what I'm realizing. I think I go through skincare products more than makeup products. Yeah, for sure. I've actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if I've ever used up like a whole makeup product. I feel like they expire before I use them up, or I like move on to something else before I use them up. I definitely use skincare products though until they're done. So here's another one. This is a face moisturizer with sunscreen, but it's like a tan tanning product also. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Face Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen. This has SPF 20 in it. It's oil free. This is for medium to tan skin tones, even though I would say I'm more of a fair skin tone, but I do prefer to use the medium to tan tanning products. I don't know, I just like that deeper, richer tan. This is a gradual tanner, so it's not going to give you like dramatic results immediately. Like, this is something that you can use daily because it'll gradually get tanner and tanner and tanner the more that you use it. This one is for your face. I do feel like this is a really good moisturizer if you're looking for one that will also tan your skin. I love to use this in the summer. I don't really like to use it if I don't already have like a base tan going on, just because I feel like it makes my foundation look too orangey. You know, if I like put this on my skin when I don't have a tan and then I put foundation on, I feel like it makes me look a little orangey. So I would repurchase this. I actually did repurchase this. It's in my medicine cabinet right now, but I only really use this when I have a base tan going on. Or if I fake tan, I'll use this on my face. But I do really like this, and I have bought this multiple times, and you could buy this at Target. And this is a great face tanner if you're into a face tanner. It's really good. More tanner. This is from Bondi Sands, the Australian tan. This is their liquid gold self-tanning foam, salon quality with coconut scent. I loved this. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite self-tanner, actually, even more. I love this more than the Loving Tan. And the reason I love this so much is because it has a really pretty like olivey undertone, so it doesn't leave you looking orange. It leaves you looking like naturally tan because it just has that like really pretty olive undertone. And I really like this because I thought that it smelled really nice. And a lot of self tanners, when you apply them, you have to apply them, let them develop for like 6 to 8 hours depending on which one you buy, and then you have to rinse it off. This one you don't have to rinse off, and I'm lazy and I hate having to rinse off my tan. So I really like this one because it still gives you that really deep, dark, rich tan, but you don't have to rinse it off. So that's the #1 reason why I love this. I loved the color it gave me. It was easy to apply. I would absolutely repurchase this. More tanning products. I got this at a St. Tropez event like a year ago. This is the Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Natural looking glow in 3 hours. This has a beautiful scent. Like, this is the best smelling self tanner I've ever used. I loved that it was clear. I don't know if you could see that, but it was clear. It wasn't brown. A lot of self tanners are brown, like you could see in their container that they're brown. This was clear. So it goes on clear and then it develops. This one says in 3 hours. And you also don't have to rinse this one off, so that's why I also love this one, because you don't have to rinse it off. But I really loved that it went on clear. I don't know why. I just feel like cleaner using a clear tanning product. If you use a lot of tanning products and you've used clear and the brown ones, then you know what I'm talking about, but I feel like cleaner using the clear ones. I don't know. I just really, really like this one. I felt like it gave me a super natural looking glow, and it looks amazing over like a natural tan. So what I would do over summer is I would lay out by the pool, I would get a natural tan, which I know is dangerous, but I do it. So yeah, that's what I do. And then I would put this on over a natural tan, and it just looks freaking beautiful. This is so good. I would absolutely buy this again. And this is from the same line. This is a St. Tropez. I don't know if it's St. Tropez or St. Tropez. I don't know. But this is a bronzing water face mist. And I actually use this for my face, my hands, and my feet when I would tan. So I would apply this all over my body with a mitt, and then I would spray this on my hands and my feet and my face to give a more natural look, because if you're not careful with self tanners, your hands and your feet could look a little crazy. So I felt like this is a really nice way to get like an airbrush looking tan. I would just mist this on my hands and it would just look so amazing. So I really, really, really loved this so much. I actually used it more on my hands and feet than my face, even though this says this is a face mist. I personally like to use this on my hands and feet. So if you self tan and you find yourself having super orange hands and feet and you don't know how to avoid that, I would highly recommend trying this instead of using the mitt on your hands. I would get this face mist and I would spray this on your hands, and it just gives a really nice effect. I really, really like this, and I would absolutely buy both of these products again. I'm so sorry if you can hear my dog barking in the background. He is protecting our house. Okay, last but not least is this body mist from Victoria's Secret. Like, come on. If you're a girl, I'm sure you've had this. Or if you're a boy, I don't know. Just, I feel like no offense, but if you haven't had a Victoria's Secret body spray in your life, then you might have been living under a rock. I don't know. But absolutely would buy this again, especially the scent. The scent was amazing. This is the Stargazer. The only thing with this Victoria's Secret scents is that not all of them are constantly available. Okay, some scents like come and go. But if you ever see the Stargazer scent in Victoria's Secret, I would highly recommend because I really love this one. I always have Victoria's Secret body mist, fragrance mist in my house somewhere. I have one in my car actually. I mean, this is like the OG. This is like when you need to refresh and you don't want to waste your expensive perfume, so you just spray some Victoria's Secret all over. Like, absolutely would continue purchasing Victoria's Secret fragrance mist as well as this specific scent in Stargazer. This was really good and it smelled, oh my god, it smells so good. Let's see. Oh, there's a little bit left. Barely. Ugh, it just smells so good. I would absolutely buy this again. Did I show you guys this one? Oh my god. I lied. This is last but not least. I thought that I already showed you guys this one, but I just saw it sitting here on my vanity and I didn't want to leave it out. This is the CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser for normal skin. This gently cleanses and exfoliates while softening and smoothing skin, non-drying, non-irritating with salicylic acid and ceramides. This was really good. It's empty. I did repurchase it, but I haven't used my new bottle yet because I saw everyone ranting and raving about this one on TikTok, so I decided to get this one. This is the Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This is not empty yet. It's probably like halfway empty, but this is the reason why I haven't used my new bottle of this yet. This is also really good, but I did repurchase this one after using this whole thing. I love this one. I like that this one gets sudsy because this one doesn't. It doesn't. It's just like a cream. It's like almost like a lotion consistency, so it never like foams up, but this one does get a little sudsy and I liked that, and I also liked how it left my skin feeling, and I just feel like it cleaned my skin really well, and I do feel like it cleared my skin up a little bit. So I did repurchase this one and I would absolutely recommend this facial cleanser, especially if you have the same type of skin that I do. I have large pores and blackheads all in my T-zone area, and I feel like this really helps me. I don't know if someone with like super dry skin would like this, but if you have fairly normal or oily skin, you would probably enjoy this as well. And that's it for this Empties video. If you guys like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this of products that I use up, then definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'm not gonna continue hoarding my trash because I've literally had that pile of empty bottles sitting on my vanity for months now until I felt like I had the perfect amount for this video. But if you want to see more videos like this, let me know because I'll continue to save my empty containers for these videos. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!